Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So, in this video, we have one ticket here. As you can see, I already started scratching it. So I was at the gas station and I just figured I was cashing in tickets and I'm like, you know what, let's see what I can do here. So, I think I scratched 3 of these before this one and they were all losers. So I got this one and I saw that uncovered that 20x symbol and I said, I'm going to stop. I'm going to do a video on this. So anyway, we have ticket number 12. It's a $20 ticket from Arizona, Cash Explosion. It's basically match your numbers to the winning numbers or uncover that 20x like I did to win 20 times that prize, or reveal this money bag to win $100 instantly. So anyway, I figured I will do a video. Hopefully there's something good under here so I can share it with you guys in a video. So anyway, let's continue here. So we'll just continue scratching these before we scratch the winning numbers to see if we can get any duplicate numbers to go along with that 20x symbol. 34, 44, 33, 3, 32. I don't see any duplicate numbers yet. 26, 24, 6, 11, 23, 22, 2, 14. Last row here, 30, 17, 48, 38, 35. Doesn't look like any duplicate numbers, so let's go ahead and scratch the winning numbers. See if we can match any other numbers with it. 47, no go. 41, no go. We are 1 off, 42. How about a 31? Doesn't look like it. Another 1 off. 18. Nope. 19. No. 46. 1 off. And the last number will be number 1. So no, it doesn't look like any other numbers will match. So let's hope we don't get the Arizona special. Let's hope we can get at least $5 underneath here. Let's scratch it slowly. Well, we didn't get in a way we got the Arizona special, but in a way we didn't. I will take that $2 underneath there. Better than 1. So it looks like this is going to be a $40 winner. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please tune in for more. Like and subscribe. Have a good night.